Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one specific property of any triangle in geometry. Let ABC be a triangle. I have to prove that A by sine A equal to B by sine B equal to C by sine C. What is small a, small b and small c? They are respectively the lengths of the sides. That means BC equal to A, which is opposite to vertex A. Let AC equal to B, which is opposite to vertex B, and the third side is that AB equal to C, which is opposite to vertex C. So I have to prove A by sine A equal to B by sine B equal to C by sine C. For that purpose, I have dropped a perpendicular from the vertex A on the base BC. Let the point of intersection be D. So you can understand that angle BDA and angle CDA both are 90 degree. These two angles. Now, if I am trying to find out sine of A, that means sine of angle BAD plus CAD. Then we know the formula of sine A plus B, that is sine angle BAD cos angle CAD plus cos angle BAD sine angle CAD. Right? Now we have to separately calculate these sine and cos expressions. What is sine BAD? That is sine of this angle, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is the perpendicular length? That is BD divided by AB, that is sine BAD. What is cos CAD? Cos CAD means cos of this angle, that means base by hypotenuse, that is AD by AC, plus cos of BAD, that means cos of this angle, that means base by hypotenuse, that is AD divided by AB into sine of CAD, that means perpendicular, that is CD by AC. Right? This is the formula for sine A cos B plus cos A sine B, as we are implementing it in sine of A plus B formula here. Now if so, then we have to find out this expression plus this expression, how it gets simplified. Now you can see AB into AC is common in the denominator. Okay, so if I write it that way, in here it becomes 1 by AB into AC I take common, then within bracket on top it is BD into AD plus AD into CD, that means AD I can also take common, it is BD plus CD. Right? Now what is BD plus CD? BD plus CD is nothing but BC. That means the entire expression is getting reduced to sine A equal to, I can write it further, AD into BC, since BD plus CD is BC, divided by AB into AC. Now what is the length of BC? BC is A, that means A into AD, I am keeping it same as it is. And what is AB and AC? AB and AC is simply B and C. That means this is sine A. So A by sine A equal to BC by AD. Right? So this is the one expression for the left hand side, which three expressions we are going to evaluate. It is BC by AD. Now what is B by sine B? If you consider the triangle ABD, then sine of B equal to perpendicular, that is AD by hypotenuse, that is C. Right? Then obviously B by sine B, if you from here if you can understand, B by sine B is simply B divided by AD by C, which is BC by AD, which is A by sine A, that we have found out from here. Same fashion, we have to calculate C by sine C. So if I remove this one, then what is sine C from triangle ACD? Sine C equal to AD by hypotenuse is B. That means C by sine C equal to C divided by AD by B equal to BC by AD, which is same as B by sine B equal to A by sine A. Already we have derived those things here, right? So finally my expressions, that is A by sine A equal to B by sine B equal to C by sine C, is getting proved. For any triangle, if we know the length of the three different sides and the angles measured for the three vertices, then for all the triangles this formula will be applicable. If you like this proof, I will request everyone to view my video, like and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you.